Today we're gonna start reinforcing the seat for the Fox Racer. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today is the day we start on the seat. Now time is really crunching right now. We almost have a month and a half left to get this seat on there, get the bike ready for the big event, the ride on the racetrack. So we need to get this seat sorted out really quickly. Now, the big issue was that I couldn't start before is I didn't have metal, but a nice colleague at work gave me some metal. And here it is. It is a rusty 3mm plate that I'm gonna reinforce the seat with it. Now, why do I want to reinforce it? Because it's completely made out of fiberglass and that is not really strong, and I want to have it stronger. So we're gonna make a custom seat pan for this. We're gonna reinforce this side and this side, get that all welded up, get that nice and clean, so we can weld on stuff there to fit on the bike. Now I have two options for this. I can make it detachable or not detachable. I can weld it straight to the frame or not weld it to the frame. But I'm thinking to make it detachable. If we ever want to change seats or do whatever, we can detach it. So we have a little more customizational freedom on this bike, and maybe in the future that is going to be handy if we want to switch it up again. So let's get started on the seat. It's going to be a long process. I'm not going to finish it today, but we need to get as far as we can today so we can get that tuning right in there, because it is desperately needed and I don't want to sit on the wood like I did last time. So yeah, let's just get started. It's going to be a long day, a lot of thinking, a lot of measuring, cutting, welding, all that stuff, but it's going to be fun. It's all progress for the Fox. So after a long day of welding and grinding, seat pan is finally here and I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty nice, but we had to make some changes. As you can see, I removed the wood that was originally under there, lowering the seat like 2 centimeters. I think that is gonna be better for fitment and for riding style, because the seat that we have is pretty wide here, and when I sat on it with the plate it wasn't really that comfortable, so I lowered it 2 centimeters so it is a better position. Also for swinging over your leg it will be better, because it is a little bit high. I cannot put the seat on here right now because I need to cut this to get some clearance to get it all mounted up. Now after I've done all that, I try to take a look of how I'm gonna mount it, because we cannot really ride on wood and we want to make it nice and clean and sturdy. So as I told you, I want to be able to remove the seat pan. That is just a preference that I have. But let me get you guys closer on the whole problem, or the whole problem we need to fix to get that seat pan on there. So this is how it looks now with the lowered seat, 2 centimeters, just something like that, not too much. But you can see we have this angle right here, and we need to connect this tube to this seat and be able to remove it. So this whole part is going to be gone, and we need to shorten that up. Now there's a lot of ways you can do this. I can take a plate and just bolt it on right here, but I think that wouldn't have the look that we're going for, so we want to make it clean. Now this is going to be a big welding job, and when I look at my bottle, my welding gas is almost out, so yeah, it's a little bit tricky what I'm gonna do, because when the gas is out, you don't get a clean weld, and I don't want to be welding something that one is important, or the hooks for the exhaust needs to be clean. So I'm a little bit worried about that. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to a bike shop and get the springs, or hopefully I get the springs. And first of all, I'm gonna do the springs for the exhaust. Once I'm happy with that and it looks pretty, I can move on to this bracket right here and do this whole shebang. Still a lot of stuff, but it's coming together and I'm pretty happy with how it's gonna all work out. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. And if you're not already subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.